welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do cute toenail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. We're going to start by painting our nails glitter gold, white, and mauve. Now we're going to add some glitter to that gold. Now we're going to take the big pieces of glitter out of that polish I just showed you guys, and we're going to place it in the middle of the nail. Instagram is in the description below. Now we will take the glitter polish and put it in a vertical line on the big toe, and then we will go back and add the big pieces of glitter in that same vertical spot. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.